long-legged flying spiders over here, okay? I don't really want you to, so don't really stay. Just look at the sign and go.
That's what you feel for say. Come here, say when me feel for say. That's what you feel for say. Zaga zaga. Zaga now 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 now.
Welcome guys to another KeneishaSays. So welcome back to another video. I know I'm eating this chocolate bar because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything all morning. I want to do this video and I'm like, before my deadpan camera, let me just eat something. So today's video is all about an Amazon haul. As you can see, I have multiple items here. Majority of these, it's actually a mixture, but majority of it is actually for the outside decor. There are additional pieces that I'm going to be adding to my porch, my deck on the outside. You'll be seeing that video where I'll be redecorating, remodeling, just fixing up everything on the outside. Part 2, if you haven't watched it last year, you can go back and watch what was happening. You'll understand or have a better understanding as to what's going on. Before we jump into the video, I want you to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Like this video, comment under the comment section, and share this video as well. So as I said before, we have several items here. Majority of it is going to be porch decoration. But guys, we also have, don't judge me, we also have Christmas decoration. Christmas decoration. I'm going to explain why. But let's open up this stuff then first and I explain as I go ahead. But yeah, we have Christmas decorations in here, okay? There's a reason for that. There's a reason for that. It's going to all make sense. This is so good. This is so good. First box we're going to open up. This actually came today. So I come all ripped up already like this is the return. And no packaging. Just this salsa box. Amazon into the better. But this is actually a pack of 4 outside pillow inserts. It's supposed to be water resistant. There are 4 pieces inside of it. 4 pieces inside. Throw pillow inserts. Yeah. They're water resistant and stuff. This is going to go to the back deck. And I just want to make sure it's water resistant because it's going to go outside. It's actually 18 by 18. Let's open this envelope here. Okay, so this is actually a wallet, new wallet that I bought for myself because the one that I have is too big, and then I got this little one with a new bag that I got I think it was my Christmas that I got it from my sister-in-law, and that's what I've been using. So I want a new one. So this is it, like a teal color with pink on the inside. This is very cute. I love the color. That's why I actually got it. So it has gold hardwares. I just feel like this is very cute. And then the inside, you know, it has where you can actually put your cards here. Little picture of your ID here. You have for your cash in here. And then you have a zipped area here for your coins. Allow me to open it. And it actually have 2 sections in this side. So I feel like this is very cute, and I feel like everything should be able to hold in here. So I'm excited about this. Very cute. Very, look at that. There we go. So nice. Love this for me. Alright, let's jump into the other one. So this is actually the rug that I told you that I bought on the outside. I bought the black and white one for the front. This is for the back deck. I'm going to layer the rug as well. So this is it. It's gray and white because I'm going with that gray and white theme. It's so thick and nice. This is it. So nice, so nice. Love this for me. It's gonna look, I can't wait to decorate. So actually guys, next week the guys are actually done now but outside. However, there are little things that I feel like, if you guys know anything about me, I'm very particular with certain things. I want everything to be done neat and nice. Like, there's not supposed to be any issue, especially if I pay my money, right? So there are certain tweaks that I feel like needs to be like a little neater. So I called them and they're supposed to come by on Saturday to get those fixed. And then Troy is supposed to be doing like some little touching up of painting and like power wash the deck, the porch, and then he's gonna repaint, do a second repaint of the deck, and so I can decorate. So next week is all about decoration, and you guys should be seeing this in the other vlog. Let's jump into the other box. Alright, so in this we have 2 items. These are like, oh, these are the covers for the insert that we saw earlier. So I feel like this goes perfectly with this, right? And this is a pack of 4. So you have different styles. You got 1. And again, water resistance. 2, 3, 4. So 4 pieces for the 4 pillows that I showed you guys earlier. And again, these are not going to go to the porch, they're actually going to go to the back deck because I will be decorating both of them at the same time. Now this is also another pillow cover, but these are for, I also purchased some 12, I repurchased them. I think I should be in this stack. I had bought 2 before, but I used them recently in the dining room, in the living room. So I repurchased the pillow inserts. So these are for the inserts. This one say, stay a while. I don't really want you to, so don't really stay. Just look at the sign and go. Damn. It has on both sides. And then this one says, and it's a blue. It's not gray. It looks more bluish. Looks more bluish than gray. It looks like, yeah. But you know what? The gray that I have on the deck right now kind of look bluish gray. So I feel like this is gonna, I'll work it in. But anyhow, this is welcome to our porch. And again, it's on both sides. I wanted it gray though, but I think I can work with it only because of the type of gray that's around here. It has like a blue grayish as it's painted into, so it's, I'll make it work. So basically everything that we're seeing so far is for the back deck. Alright, let's jump into this one. Again, if you had watched my previous video when I was actually redoing my porch at that time, yeah, I redid the porch at one point. The first time I actually did the porch. I will link it in this video as well so you can go back and watch it. But when I was doing the video, I purchased some of these. It's like a hanging planter. I got some different color this time. But it is all, it's been 4 years now since I've done that. And this is like all worn out and birds go in there and make them nest and pick it out and stuff like that. So it's like all ruined and like the color fade, burns out and stuff like that. So I got back 3 of them, but this time in different colors to hang. And this is like for the things for it to go into, like a little sphere thing. And then you just drop these plants in, because again, if you know anything about me apart from what I'm trying to do in the garden, every flowers you're coming to my house and find, including the porch and deck, are going to be fake, okay? So because for some reason I do not have a green thumb, it just doesn't work with me. I'm going to get some help with that, but in the meantime we're doing fake again. So this is going to be going on the front porch, and it's going to be looking something like, don't do that, hold on, what are you trying to show me up? Like, okay, here we go. Hold on now. So, okay, So it's gonna look, if you just straighten up. Hold on. Let's try this again. Come here, so. It's gonna look a little something like this with the flowers arranged inside. So this is what it's gonna be given. Alright, and it's gonna be, it should have 2 of these. Turn it back upside down. There should be 2 of this type of color, and then it should have a white one. So it should be 3 in total. So we'll find the other ones shortly. But let's jump into this one. Okay. So these are some thermocell mosquito repellents, right? And it's a pack of, or a set of 2, I should say. And these are for the outside as well, because if you don't know anything about Connecticut, like mosquitoes, them come out. Them just want, and the mosquito them over here, they're like spiders, like them bigger than spider, like them, they're flying spiders. That's just we have. We have flying spiders, long-legged flying spiders over here. Okay, that's how they look when they're flying. So this is the Intelligent Mosquito Defense Mosquito Repellent. So you put in the batteries. It actually have rechargeable batteries inside. Scent-free, no spray, 100% supposed to just work. 20 feet zone, and it's supposed to just cover the area, right? It's a 12-hour refill. Let's see what's in the box. Open box. Hold on. This one for the back deck and one for the front porch. Okay, so it comes with like the little oil or something. That is, well, I guess this is a repellent thing. It comes with a charger. And you know, from what nobody knows send the base for chargers anymore. So you must just figure it out and get your own. The instruction manual. And then this is actually the base. I guess. Okay, let's figure this out. Remove before use. I don't know how to use this. Okay, what do we do? What do we do? Do we turn this? Let's see how it use. So this is what it's supposed to be given. Like this whole area, 20 feet zone, no matter it's supposed to come around you at all. Okay? So let's see how it's supposed to fit up. So to screw this part. Okay. Well, okay, so we pull this off. And then we insert this in here. I'm not gonna take it out right now. We insert this in here and close it back. And I guess this is the on button. Right? So this is the repeller, the base, and the cable. So I'm gonna put this back. I'm not gonna put it together yet. And it just clip on. Let's go. It just click. 2 of them. This is the other one. This is the one that we just pulled. Yes, because I want to be able to go and sit down outside in the night, in the early morning, without no mosquito biting me and infecting my body, because I don't know where these must like have dengue or something, because these are not regular mosquitoes. Like, that don't make no sense. Like, what? So that's what this is for. So hopefully it works. Alright, so this, I wanted to do this last now, but it's right here. So we're gonna open this. This is going to be a pack. Well, I feel like that is it. Hold on. Yes. So these are my regular subscription stuff, and I feel like you guys are tired of seeing all my subscription on a monthly basis. They come making sure money in their account, because we're gonna be taken whether or not there is money. Okay. So I have different things set up for different months depending on how often I use them. So these are due for the month of May, so May 30th. Let's see what's in here. So in here we have some more Belgian waffles, because you know I'm a waffle girl, especially turning everybody in a household into a waffle person except for Troy. Mr. Troy still don't like it. In here I have my regular Bio 360 probiotic that I take on a regular basis. I've been out of this for a while, for a couple of days now, because I know I was going to open this. I didn't want to open it first to take all these things, but there are a couple of things in here that I really need that I'm completely out of as of this week. So this is one of them. It's also one of them. This is for the kids vitamin C, gummy vitamin C. We ran out of this on Monday. Today's Thursday. We ran out of this honestly either Tuesday or Monday, so I needed to restock on this. So again, knew it was here, didn't want to open it because I know I was going to do an Amazon haul on it. Alright, so these are the Febreze Small Space. I got this. I also ran out of because I was cleaning the house this week, and I knew this was here, but I'm like, you know, let me just give it up one more day. It won't kill me. So I need to go replace these. Are going to be used like right now because I'm out of it. So it's a pack of 4, and I got 2 packs of the regular Febreze. I don't even remember the scent that I have anymore because they keep on coming the same thing. I need to change it up. So we have 1 pack of that. This is the other one. Again, same exact thing, so I'm not going to open it. This is another thing I've been out of since last week, which is the kids probiotic tablets, like chewable tablets. That's this. So these, they need to utilize this right now. This and the vitamin C. This I'm not completely out of yet, but these are the black castor oil that I use in Tavania's hair as well as my stomach. Okay? And then these, now I'm going to put this up. It's heavy. This is what made these heavy. These stack up on my body soaps, my body wash. So these are, this is soft soap, and in the fragrance, oh my god, this is soft soap, and this is my favorite fragrance, the macadamia oil and soft peony. That's what I use from. I love this scent so much. There's a pack of 4 that's in this, and then I have my Dove, and in the Dove I like the cucumber. But tell you what Jamaican say. Jamaican say cucumber. Yeah. So we got the cucumber and green tea, right? And this is a pack of 3 that comes in here. So this is the Dove body wash, the cucumber, and what is it? Mint, right? Kind of mint? Green tea. So I can bathe now. I was actually running low on these. I think I have 2 more Doves remaining and 1 more of the stuff. So, alright, so let's jump into this box. Okay. So this is a little bit, I bought one of this the other day for my room, for my nightstand. So it's like, so you can put like your jewelry or stuff in, just for storage. So I have this thing where when I go to my bed or when I'm going to bed, sometimes I forget to take off my jewelry, right? So I have one on my nightstand where I just take them off and just drop them in there, and it's like right there to keep it. They're not going to be lost. I was in the dining room, the living room the other day, and I realized I had jewelry on, and I don't really like to have jewelry on me when I'm not going somewhere. So as soon as I reach home, like, it irritates my ears and stuff like that. Maybe because they're fake, I don't know, but I normally take them off. So when I sit down, I want to take them out immediately, and I realized that I just had to put it on the table because I had nothing to drop it in. So I went and I got the same exact thing. So it's like a leaf, and it's black to match the aesthetics, to just drop my little earrings and stuff in. So that's why this is here. And then this, if you hadn't watched my last video when I was telling you about the rug that I have, just like the one that I bought for the deck, the first one was too long, too big for the front. So I went and I sized down and got the same exact thing. So it's the same thing like what I had the last time. Same thing. So I don't need to take it out, but like, yeah. This is for the front, the gray one is for the back. Alright. The boxes are going down. Box, what do we have in here? What is this? It's like 2 of the same thing. What is this? Guys, I don't want to them so small. These are some Christmas stuff, Christmas ornaments. So let me tell you how this happened, okay? Should I open the first one first? It's a pack of, I said on this small. So it's some little ornament, like retro looking. Let me see if I can get that one. It's wrapped up. As you can see, it's like retro painting with plaid. So this year Christmas theme is going to be this plaid. That's what I'm going with, the whole thing, right? Green, red. I had one said some outside Christmas trees this year, right? And I had it on, I'm going to show you shortly. I had them in my cart, and every time I see them, like, it keeps on saying that it's the prices are either going up or they're out of stock. And I'm like, this I wanted to have since like 2 Christmas now. So when I saw that keep on going out of stock and they finally came back in stock, I ran and I got the Christmas trees. No, when I look on the Christmas trees, no, and I'm like, I'm gonna need something to just go on it just for the decoration purposes. Same theme. I saw these and I thought they were a little bit bigger, but this is okay. So these are like gift boxes, but there's a wood with the thing wrapped around it. And I feel like they're very cute. So I got a pack of 2. So that's how Christmas came in early. I just want to make sure I have it, so when it's time for it, I have it. That's how this was bought. Don't judge me, okay? And again, it's a pack of 2, so the same exact thing is in here. Make sure it's the same thing in there and then not send nothing extra. They must have nothing wrong, you know what I mean? So yeah, the same exact thing. So it's only fair that because I already showed you the ornaments or the gift boxes thingy, I show you what the fuss was about. So this is the box. I don't want to cut all of this right now. I can't do it. I'm gonna show you what it should be looking like, okay? Let's do that. So it should be looking like, this is no good example, but this is going to be the base. So it should be 2 bases, alright? And then 3, you have the bottom and then the upper. And it comes with a light because it's actually a pre-lit tree. And then show you how to do it. So I'll maybe drop in a picture of how it should be looking. But so far, this is what it looks like. But I want to put everything. This is the base, and this is the top. It's just like a Christmas tree. You'll put the top in on the bottom, and then put the bottom into the base. And then this is the base. So, upside down, sir. So there should be another thing. They're in here. Put them in here, so this we got under the bottom, and it looks like this. And then now that comes in, that makes sense now as to how the ornament thing's gonna be fitting underneath this little tree on the outside. So I'm gonna have one on the front porch in Christmas time, and then one also on the back deck. So that is that. I know it can't close back, but Christmas shopping in spring. It's not even summer yet, but you gotta be prepared, okay? You gotta be prepared. So this is the 12 by 20 inserts that I told you guys about. So it's looking like this, but I'm gonna take it out. But this is the one that's gonna actually be going in the back on the deck based on the thorough pillow covers that I showed you before. So this is gonna be going in there. It's regular, you know how pillow look, and that's a pack of 2. Got 4 more boxes of this, and then 3 more boxes to go, guys. So this is the other plant that I showed you before that's gonna be hanging on the porch. So I'm not going to take this out because it's the exact same thing. Now this one, based on the fact that the boxes are the same, I'm thinking this is the third one. Now the third one is the same thing except the color of the plant. Oh, the base different. So this base it's not as round. More like a cylinder looking one. It's longer. And then these are white floors, and these are like more like it's gonna be, should be hanging. They kind of stiff now, but so this is it. This is how it's looking. So it's more yeah, cylinder looking, right? And the same thing with the this concept a little bit different. This feel like more like a lawn type thing. This going here, so it chip. We'll make it chip up. It has a break. You see that? Look, it's broken. Why? Send it back. So you put this in there, and it's gonna hang over. It's gonna be flowing over like so. This one's gonna be in the middle while the other two are at the end. So that's that for that. So again, it's gonna go on the front porch, and you will see next week when I actually start decorating. One more box to go. I also bought some bench covers for the back deck, but that's going to be coming next week. So I might show you if I do like a vlog, but you're going to definitely see it when I'm decorating. What is this? What is this? I have no idea. What is this? Oh. This has nothing to do with what we're doing right now. It's totally different. This is actually a whiteboard calendar for me, for my office. Because I need to be more organized. And I realized the other day when I was trying to get my whole life together, when I wanted to plan out my day. Yes, I have a planner, but I don't want that. I wanted something to put in my office to make a note of, make this content, clean up house, do this, do that, you know, and you wipe up as you go. So I got me a whiteboard, you know, and of course it has to be pink. It has to be pink. It is so cute. So we got the calendar. You make the notes right here. You put the day of the month. The day of the month of the year. And then you just number it out. You make your notes as to what's going on. And it comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 markers. What? 10 markers. Okay? You come with a thingamajig to put on the wall. I don't think I'm going to need this. I'm just going to put it onto the thingamajig. And the duster. Tell me this not cute. I put it right up here so right now we finish. Tell me that not cute. That is so cute. So cute. I want to have space to put the things in. This is the last box for Amazon. And then I have some wine. What made it with so much wine? I'm not sure if I need to go call right now. I made it with so much wine. They had already taken my money, guys, so I had to take it. And I need to go call them when I'm finished with you all to cancel my subscription because I'm not drinking so much wine. I'm going to be taking my money every month. What is this? Why is it so small? This does not come with a base. Now you're going back, bro. These come with some this is supposed to be a base. I want to put a picture of what it's supposed to be like. It's supposed to come with a container and then the flowers to go in there, but not only came with the flowers. I don't want. This is not what I wanted. I'm gonna return this. I'm upset. I was looking forward for this. Oh, let me show you real quick. Oh, hey. It's supposed to be looking something like this, right? But this base. That's what I ordered. But as usual, I'm gonna read. So let's see. Artificial false outdoor flowers plants for spring summer decoration. Fake silk camellia UV resistant. Look for real for planter outside front door, porch, patio, balcony. 3 bundles. Tell me where it says, you know, come with a container. It's a container I want. And it was too expensive for like, it's $20 for it not to have the container. I don't need that. I'm gonna return this because I don't need, I'm upset. I was looking forward for that. I'm so mad. Like, why doesn't it? It just looks so cute. Alright, guys, yeah, you know what I look for. I'm looking to see if I can actually find something that looks like it. This one says it has 4-pack wooden whiskey barrel. Yeah, is that what you call it, wooden whiskey barrel? Alright guys, so I am actually seeing some wooden barrels, right? And the expense is bad. Okay, so I see this one. This looks close to it. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not gonna buy this right now. It's for $43. This one, but only 5 people buy it. This one looks close to it, right? I'm gonna do some research and see, because then I'm gonna have to get something to put inside of it. And it's a $43. Like, I need to find, okay, see a stack of 2 has a rustic, but this, no, they said this have a rustic look, but this have a broke up look, like, what? And this is cheap though, but this is like gonna mash up it. $35 for the 2. Alright, so this has 3, it says have 3 wooden flower boxes. It's not bad. Okay, this comes with 3. $57 though. $57. $57? We're not doing that. That's I'm at it just in case. So I'm gonna continue looking. Hold on, it's a 2 year for $19 now. Oh, these are extremely small. No. I'm gonna continue looking because I'm just so mad. I thought this came with the thing. Now gonna help me. If I can't find it, if I can't find what I'm looking for, I'm going to just like return it. Let's see how this looks. 3-pack and 9 inches. It's not look bad. Them doing a different color. $21 for 3. This not look bad. Okay. We can maybe do this. Alright guys, I'm now holding up. I'm gonna look on this more. If I find something that looks like it, then I will keep it. If not, then I'm gonna return it. But that's it for the Amazon haul. I have one more box, and this is the wines that I was telling you guys about. So let's jump into that right now. Guys, you see all of the stuff that's around me? Like, this is a lot of garbage I'm gonna have to clean up, and I literally just cleaned up the place last night. So let's jump into this one. So in this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 wines. I have some sparkling wine in here because I don't have any sparkling wine here in the batch that I have at home. So I figured if I do have somebody that come by the house, even though I'm not really invite anybody over here, but if I do have somebody that comes by the house and they're not an alcohol drinker, they have something they can drink, right? So this is the packaging. You can see this here. And then you have all these bottles. All these bottles in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright? Okay. So the first one, this is the Sweet Selection. I already have some of these. The Sweet Selections 2021 Moscato, California. I have one of this. I'm gonna tell them what right now because I'm gonna unpack them. I one of this. One. Yeah. So one of this. Let me show you up front so you guys can actually see. So that's one. This has how much percent? 11.5% alcohol. This one is the Undying Chaton, also sweet muscat canelli. Yeah, so I'm gonna put something. This one, right here, so. This one has 12% alcohol. You see, I'm something I drink. That's why I drink so quick, you know. I may talk so upon live on something there. So I have one of that one. And this one is Dave Harvey Columbia. This is Swedish 2021 Columbia Valley Riesling. This one is 12.4% alcohol. I'm not playing now. These are all coming from Naked Wines. Naked Wine is basically, I'm not gonna promote it because if you don't want me to sponsor or not, if you guys want to sponsor me, you can do that and then I'll advertise your thing. But this is very good though. It's very nice where it's like a subscription. You know, like we would have Shoe Dazzle and all those things. A subscription where, or even Fenty. That's her name, Savage Fenty, yeah, Rihanna thing. You subscribe and then every month I think you can skip or something like that. Yeah, if you don't skip it, then they take $40 out of your account and you're able to, they give you like discounted prices on the wines, right? And you can order every month. And they're very reasonable because like when you buy like 12 wines, it coming from, say for example, like $200 and you can get it for like 50 something. Like it's very reasonable. And everything that I pay for here, I think I paid like 20 something dollars extra. Of course, then they use me $80. And them take $40 off of me 2 times. But you know what I mean? Like instead of going to the stores to get wine continuously, it's something that you can actually just keep on restocking. You know what I mean? But you have to make sure you're home when they're delivering because you have to sign off on it. This is another sweet selection. This is a 2022 Muscat Canelli. This is something similar to what we had before. I think this is similar to this one. I had this one before. I've never had this one. So this one is a 2021. This one is a 2022. So I'm gonna try this. Then you have, I've never tried this one before, Purveyor Sauvignon Blanc. Listen, I'm not one person. Don't know, I just drink it. This one is 13.5% alcohol. This one was also 11%, but this is 13.5. So this has me tasting some drunk. Like what? I love sweet wine, by the way. I'm not a bit of drinking wine. Red wine, even if it's red wine, it has to be cold. I know you're supposed to drink it room temperature, but it has to be cold and it has to be sweet. I cannot do the bit. I cannot. So this one is DRG Pinot Noir. That's what I call it. The French that. And this is 14.3% alcohol. This is a red wine. I'm gonna see the sparkle wine them yet. This is a George something. This Tom Shula Sweet. Yeah, 11%. This. I can't call them name here. Damn. Why is it giving dark? Focus. Sweet red. Tom Shula, 12.9%. These are the sparkle wines. Franc du Sac. 2020 sparkle. Yeah, so this is a sparkle wine. Obviously, it doesn't have any alcohol in this. And then the other one is going to be this one. We got 2 of them. 2 of this one. We got 2 more remaining. So this is a second one of what I had before. So I have 2 of this one. 2 of this one. And this pink Moscato. How cute though. I think I have a big one of this. A huge one of this. And that is it. I'll just 2 sparkle wine, I guess. Then girl, you buy for people and don't buy no more. And then them always give you like some extra coupons thingamajig. This one is for Trust Pilot, London Sock, Angelina's Coffee. You get Hello Fresh and some cleaning off of Magic something. Yeah, sometimes they send like additional discounts for their thing. But don't call and cancel now because I don't need so much wine. If you're not a regular wine drinker, it wouldn't make any sense for you because you're just gonna keep coming every month and stuff. I mean, you can leave it and have your money just backed up. But like, what sense does it make? Well, money if you just put on in a wine rack thing. That would make no sense, right? But guys, that is it. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. Share the video. Comment under the comment section and let me know what you think. Guys, I kind of stopped putting the links for the Amazon stuff that I purchased. Reason for that is because nobody not really going over there to purchase anything. Nobody really asking me for the links. And it's a lot to find the links and edit it in. So if it's not going to be useful, why am I killing myself to do that? If you want to know exactly the links for the stuff that I've purchased, drop it in the comment section and I will definitely drop the link there at that time. But I want you guys to understand that if it's a lot of work to do the whole editing and dropping in the stuff and the pictures and the links, and if it's not being utilized the right way or at all, it's just a waste of time to me. So yeah, and you already know some a lot of things to do. So if you guys want any of these items that I made mention of before, again, leave it in the comment section. I will definitely hit the link. Definitely drop the link there, guys, so you guys can actually go ahead and check it out. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching again, guys, and look out for that front yard decoration, my portion, my deck, and I'll be redoing my garden as well. Look out for those videos. I also have another haul coming up, so just stay tuned to the videos, guys. Please go ahead and like the videos, share, comment, and again, please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I want to just thank y'all for the new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Welcome to the family. I hope you're enjoying over here. Go ahead and catch up with my my other videos, so we can be familiarized with each other, okay? For my regular OGs, thank you so much for the support. Guys, we're on to 800 subscribers. We're getting there. It's been a long time, but we're getting there slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. We're at 724 the last time I checked. So we're getting there. Please just shoot up to 1,000, no? Just do that. I've been waiting for a while now. We've been doing this for 3 years and we're only at 725. I feel like we need to jump up now, okay? So go ahead and share the video. I'm gonna stop talking now. Until later, guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.